Ladies and gentlemen, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to the King's Castle. We are at a highly undisclosed location somewhere in America. If you guys like supercars, if you like hypercars, and if you like views on views, just wait until you check this out. What? We have, count it, 11 Paganis. We have 3 LaFerraris, 2 918s. We got the Zonda Monza. Over here is like the hypercar parking only. Well, on this side, we have, I guess, the supercar parking only. I'm gonna try not to break the window here at the castle. We also have a school bus. Yeah, 812 super fast. And just check out this house, the castle, the King's Castle. Would you guys take the castle or the supercars and the hypercars? Oh, hello. We got Wyra Roadsters and every day. We got the Zonda Monza and the squad, the Koenigsegg squad. The Ghost Squadron is here with the Agera XS. We got the Ferraris over here. We got hypercars on hypercars. This is just absurd. In the comments below, if you could have just one car in this entire group, which would you take? I know, I'd take the Agera X. I mean, I'm a Koenigsegg guy, what can I say? I never like to call out somebody, but sometimes in life, you gotta put your front end lift down. Such a cool color. It's like a Tiffany blue Huracan Spider. And then we have John Hennessy rolling out in the Ford GT. I don't know what kind of power this is pushing, but being that it's Hennessy, I'm sure it's in the 4 figures. Back in Girth Nation. Have yourself a day. We have this squad trying to go this way, and then we have the 2 918s trying to go that way. I'm not sure what they're gonna do, but we'll figure it out. Don't worry, don't worry. I kind of figured this would happen. I mean, these are supercars, these are hypercars. The hypercars kind of always take precedence, so they're reversing out, and the 918s will carry on. I gotta get those angles for you guys each and every day. Over here we have like the economy lot. We have the Huracan getting out of the way, and we got the hypercar squad rolling into the castle. I've seen this car so many times on the interwebs. Looks even better in person. And then we got the 4x4 squared. This is it! Whoa! That was graceful. Oh look, a British mate. How you doing? We have somebody very, very brave flying a drone. I wanted to bring my Mavic, but then as you guys know, I kind of have like a history of crashing, and well, this would not be the best place to crash. Not that you're gonna crash. You're good, I'm not implying you're gonna crash. I have a history of crashing a lot. A lot. Content, man. And we have the Lamborghini Miura. This is like a roadster though. When I was walking up to the castle, this guy went flying by me and I could not get my camera out fast enough. He was driving it in the pouring rain. We have the transversely mounted V12. Also, we have the Pagani Wyra BC box right here. Some pizza, casually just sitting there. I don't know if there's actually, no. The sad portion of the vlog. We got the hypercar squad over here. And then KS sent us a message. You'll never beat me. Love KS. KS, where are you at? I don't know exactly what we're doing or where we're going, but well, we have about 25 hypercars, and I'm riding in the yellow LaFerrari, so yeah, smug smile, smug smile. Dude, this is crazy. I've never witnessed a hypercar collection quite like this. My ride with the LaFerrari is like a mile that way, but I'm trying to capture the best footage for you guys, so we're gonna have to hustle. How's it going, man? Could you give me a ride down? Of course. Awesome. This is how you do it. That's it. And we got views on views. We got the Porsche 918 Spider, we got the yellow LaFerrari, and we got Paganis as far as the eye can see. Massive shout out to Sean at Top Gear Imports for that very short ride in the 918 Spider. We got to go hop in a LaFerrari. Thanks again, man. Take care. I might have jumped out of the car too soon. What's that? This right here is my rental car, right here. So we are making upgrades. I mean, the Chevy Cruze is nice and all, but a 918 Spider, a yellow LaFerrari is much better. Man, Connecticut is hooking it up. I'm out here hustling, waiting for my ride in the LaFerrari, just in the nick of time. I nearly didn't get my ride, but we're good, we're good. See you there, man. See you, man. This is how we do it. The LaFerrari has 963 horsepower in the rain, the back end. Yeah, we don't want to lose it. So it's gonna be kind of casual.
He doesn't do casual. He does not.
Hey guys, there is a tunnel coming up shortly, and we are following an Aventador SV Roadster. Hypercar takeover! No way! I never even had this dream as a kid. This is crazy! We're in a yellow LaFerrari with a Connecticut XS next to us.
Another yellow one.
And another yellow LaFerrari. What's up? This is crazy. The last thing we want to do is hit another LaFerrari with our LaFerrari door. I have no idea where we are. I mean, we're at Dream Ride, somewhere in Connecticut. I got the keys to a LaFerrari. I don't know how I'm getting back to the castle, but it doesn't really matter. When you get an opportunity to ride in a yellow LaFerrari, you say yes, and you figure everything out afterward. So yeah, LaFerrari. Lock it up, and I think it might be time for a food vlog. I'm not sure. This GT3 RS has 125,000 miles on it. The ultimate daily, a hero. So we're out here on some road. I don't even know where we are. It doesn't matter. Everybody is asking, what is the new replacement car? I'm not gonna tell you guys, but I'm gonna tell him. Major fatigue is setting in. I haven't eaten all day, and these guys are joking about a Wendy's down the block, and they're lying, they're snaking. There's no Wendy's. There's no food, but I'm out here hustling. Apparently all the hypercars are about to leave. They might accelerate, they might not. So, more to come. I have not eaten since I was in Salt Lake City, Utah, like 29 hours ago, so we are on the hunt for food, but check this out. We have a chrome orange Liberty Walk first gen Lamborghini Gallardo. In the comments below, should I wrap my car chrome orange? Should I put a Liberty Walk kit? If you say yes, I'm not going to, oh. I've never seen a first gen Gallardo that has more presence than this right here. Okay. Food. The vlog just took the most exciting turn ever. We're on the golf cart, and the food vlog is coming soon. Steak? There's steak.
Everything.
Now we're rolling. Now we're actually rolling. I'm pretty sure this wristband gets me into the VIP tent. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure it does. Does this get me in?
I'll let you know.
Yeah.
It's silver or black?
It's black.
Oh, then you are a lucky
We are good
man.
to go. Yes.
Let me get that drawer
Awesome.
for you.
Oh,
It's
thank
black.
you. Guys, if only you could see what I can see. I haven't eaten in like 29 hours. We have rolls, we got salad, we got corn on the cob, and check this out. That is authentic American ribs. Are you kidding me? The food was amazing. I don't know where we're going or what we're doing, but good food, strong food. What's up?
TheStradman.
Interstate Motorsport. You gotta find me an LP6. Oh, never mind. Whoops, whoops. Gonna have to cut that out of the vlog. We're hopping in the Bentley. That sounded nice. We're in a Bentley Super Sports right now. Look at that Alcantara. We got the Bentley logo. We're just chilling. I don't know where we're going to the gas station. The Bentley Super Sports. We're playing musical cars, and we are hopping in the SV Roadster. This car is very, very loud, so headphone users, like, just be careful. The Gallardo squad is rolling strong right now. we have the Super Leggera. I don't know where we're going either, but it's an Aventador SV Roadster. It doesn't matter. The LaFerrari sounded good, but there's nothing like a V12 Lamborghini. There's nothing like a Lambo V12. You just can't help but just laugh and smile. It's so
It doesn't get old. We haven't turned the radio on yet.
No, exactly. Oh, I need a V12 Lambo in my life. Wow. 0.9 miles left until we're at the King's Castle. There we
Oh, I lied. I hit 6,300 RPM.
Yep, at 55 miles per hour right there. There's my rental car right there, the Cruise. That's it, yeah. Nothing like a V12 Lambo to let everybody know you have arrived. And we have arrived back to the King's Castle. Man, what a day. What a day. As you know, I am a self-proclaimed Lambo fanboy, and every time I ride in a Lamborghini, it is reaffirmed how amazing these cars are. The LaFerrari was fantastic, but the Aventador SV, just as fantastic. I don't know what we're doing or where we're going. What an absolutely amazing day here in Connecticut. In the comments below, would you take the King's Castle or would you take the hypercars? Let me know in the comments below. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, like squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over and I'm out.